I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get.
So ayun guys, here's the items that we bought from IKEA. So actually konti pa lang yan. May second batch pa kami on next Friday. So ayan guys, and we're done, and we're about to go home. So hi everyone, this is your Daily Rose and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to IKEA. We are going to buy some stuffs from IKEA for our online business. So actually guys, my main online business is Rose Gold Gems. So I am selling gold from 18 karat to 24 carats and also diamonds. So any golds or any designs, any diamonds na gusto ninyo, pwede nyo ring hanapin sa akin. So please follow my IG Rose Gold Gems, and also ano yung isa? By the way, I'm with Leia. She's driving the car.
We're going to IKEA.
She will be opening her own online business as well. Okay, so please follow her IG as well, and I will be posting it in this vlog. Okay, so later i-tutour namin kayo on our way to IKEA and also inside IKEA. Okay guys, so now we are entering Suguitan Island. This is our way going to IKEA. Guys, so this is the Warner Brothers, the famous Warner Brothers in UAE. And the red roof over there, it's Ferrari World. And this white and gray building, it's the big mall here in Yas. We called it Yas Mall. So we are near to IKEA. So later siguro, before we go home, dadaan tayo sa tapat ng Ferrari World para makita nyo yung building niya. Guys, so this is the main entrance going to Yas Mall. So in about 1 to 2 minutes, we're already in the IKEA. So this is the big A's here in Yas. this is the IKEA. Can you see that? Alright. Hi, welcome to IKEA. Come, let's go. So, social distancing. So, we're about to enter the IKEA. So, we're inside the IKEA. So nice, your house. So ayan guys, actually pag nagpupunta ako dito, ito yung una kong pinupuntahan kasi naghahanap ako ng alternative design for my house in the Philippines. So this is another inspiration. Yeah, it's so nice and elegant. So this is another dining and kitchen setup. The color combinations is so elegant as well. It's another inspiration, yeah. So now we're in the bedroom area. So nagutom kami. Meron? Wala. And it's time to eat and have our late lunch. We need to get our own tray. I want salmon.
We have fish and chips now. Salmon, we have beef steak.
Can I have? I need the salmon, please.
2 salmon please. Fish fillet.
I need salmon. Sauce on the side, please.
So we're here at the food court. So let's try the salmon with buttered cream and mashed potato. So I'll try the mashed potato first. It's so thick and creamy. And the taste is very, very light. And now let's taste the salmon. Sakto, perfect. Hindi siya malasa. I don't usually eat fish, as I have said before. But this one, I liked it. Especially with the buttered sauce, buttered cream sauce. Tastes good. And another bite of mashed potato. Sarap, sobrang. At yung fresh orange juice nila, sobrang tamis, hindi siya maasim. And this dynamite shrimp, let's try it. Perfect din siya. Crispy outside, juicy inside. And the sauce, good thick and tasty. Okay. So let's eat, guys. And these are the kids section with the stuffed toys. So it's been 5 hours already since we came in IKEA, and we're still here getting some items for our online shop. Hi, Kapoy.
The long one is like this one. The candle one.
So now we're in the lights and bulbs section. And I'm almost run out of battery. on our next vlog. So this is the items. These are the items we have bought in IKEA. Alright, so bye!